Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to recover your World App account. This is especially important if you've changed devices, deleted the app, or lost access temporarily. Let's get started. First, download the World App again. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for World App, and install the official version on your device. Next, open the app and select Sign In. Do not create a new account. Instead, choose the option to recover an existing account. Then, enter the details linked to your account. This may include the phone number, email, or ID you originally registered with. After that, use your recovery method. If you created a backup recovery phrase or cloud backup during setup, enter or restore it now. This step is what reconnects you to your original account. Next, verify your identity. World App may send you a one-time code via SMS or email. Enter the code to confirm ownership of your account. Finally, confirm that your account has been restored. Check your wallet balance, identity status, and recent activity to ensure everything is back in place. Quick tips. Always back up your recovery phrase or enable cloud backup for future safety. Keep your recovery phrase private. Never share it with anyone. If you can't recover your account using these methods, reach out to World App support for help. Recovering your World App account is simple and secure when you follow these steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.